have a bit of a strategy when it comes to my Ulta shopping. So today I want to share that with you and then show you my most recent Ulta purchase, and you will see how little I had to buy to get a ton of samples. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome to my channel. My name's Maria and I share helpful reviews, fashion lookbooks, home decor, and recipe videos. So if you like those types of things, please make sure to subscribe so that you can be part of the Artsy Cupcake Crew. So the first thing I do is I don't impulse shop. I don't just stroll around Ulta and gather things in my shopping basket. I have a strategy, and to stick to this, I need to not just buy things randomly. I have my list of items I need from Ulta, and I keep building this list over the course of a few months. And about once a week, I'll check out Ulta's homepage to see if they have their special gift with purchase deals going on. I would say they do this about every few months. And then when I see there is a gift with purchase, this is when I make my big purchase. The one they had this time was for the free 12-piece gift set with any 1950 Ulta Beauty Collection purchase. It even had a $5 coupon included with the samples. After glancing at the home page, I will also check their gifts with purchase page to see if there's any other good gifts from the products that I'm planning on already purchasing. So I needed mascara this time, and since I wanted to take advantage of this Ulta gift with purchase, I looked at the Ulta brand mascaras and picked those so that they went towards the $19.50 I needed to get that free bag with samples. So it can pay off to be a little bit flexible in what you're needing on your shopping list. I happened to also see a nice contour kit from the Ulta brand too, and I needed bronzer, so I decided to go ahead and get this whole kit, so it got me up to that $19.50 I needed for the gift. The $19.50 gift set is still available while they have supplies until I think middle of March, so you might be able to get your hands on one of those if you like what you see here. Other deal I got does not look to be available anymore, but if you keep looking out for it, they will probably do another one that's similar in a month or so. I did have to make a minimum purchase and pay a small amount to get this one added, but with the quality of the pink velour bag it came in and all the samples, it was a good value. There are so many samples, and I saw that there were several things I was wanting to try out in this anyway. So getting these samples for free or at a low cost saves you the hassle of buying something and then possibly having to return it or having to use it up even if you didn't like it. The samples you get might not all be perfect for your skin type, or the color might be wrong, so to not have any waste, I have even done listings on eBay for my unused samples. I list them lot style on eBay, and I include an unused makeup pouch, and I've actually made money on some of the samples I've gotten for free. Another thing worth mentioning is that Ulta has a really good rewards program. They send coupons, and when you make your purchases, you get a really good amount of points, and they add up pretty quickly, so you can always use those as cash towards your purchase. Now, let me show you what I ordered, and then I will let you see all the samples that I got in the 2 sample pouches that came with my order. I needed some mascara and false eyelashes. I don't wear false eyelashes very often, only when I'm going out on date night or for some special event, but I only like to wear them once because I get kind of weirded out by the bacteria that can grow on them, especially if I'm only using them once every couple of weeks. So I get these that are the most simple ones that you can get, and they're pretty cheap too. Not a lot of volume or anything, I just basically like to fill out the lashes a bit. I also needed some more concealer, and I like the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. It has a really nice pump and a glass tube. I needed some more bronzer, and I thought this palette looked like a really good one to try out. There's a few shades of bronzer in there and a few highlighters too. So I bought these items, and then I got all this as extra. Let me know in the comments below if you have any Ulta shopping tips to share. And if you aren't already part of the Artsy Cupcake Crew, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more fun videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a really happy day.